Let's execute this. Hey everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to perform a left join in Excel. Imagine we have two tables like this. We want to join these two tables based on the customer ID column. We can do this in three ways. Method 1, using Vlookup. The first argument of this function is a cell from the column in the first table that should match the same column in the second table. The second argument is the full range of the second table. The third argument is the column number from the second table that we want to bring alongside the first table, in this case, column 2. The last argument is false, which ensures that the values in the joined column must be an exact match. We apply this formula and see that it returns the correct value. Then, we double-click on the green dot to apply the function to all cells. Method 2, using Xlookup. I recommend this function. The first argument is the same as the first argument of Vlookup. The second argument is the column range from the second table where the join is performed. The third argument is the column range from the second table that we want to bring alongside the first table. The last argument is a value that will replace null, for example, not found. We execute this, and the result is correct. Method 3, using index, match. The first argument of the match function is the same as the first argument in Vlookup. The second argument is the column range from the second table where the join is performed. The match function returns the row number from the second table where the exact value of C2 is found, e.g., 1. The first argument of the index function is the column range from the second table that we want to retrieve values from. The index function works by taking a range and returning the value of the row number provided as the second argument, e.g., John. Now, suppose we want to perform the join on more than one column. For example, in these two tables, we want to join based on both customer ID and region. A trick we can use here is concatenating the two columns using the AND operator. We treat this concatenated column exactly as if it were a single column for joining in both tables. We apply this method in both tables. Now, we perform the same calculations using Vlookup, Xlookup, and index match, just like we did in the previous sheet. The only difference is that we are now joining based on the concatenated column. We see that the results are exactly the same.